Hey, what's going on, guys? It's been a while since I made a video because I made a lot of those videos all kind of back to back. Um, with that being said, a couple things I want to point out. I did end up grading a lot of stuff today. Guys, I'm going to keep my grades up to date weekly, daily. Make sure to check all the time so you know what's going on. Uh, some of you guys did great. Guys, you can't do the test yourself assessment Sunday at 11 p.m. one time and take 1 minute and expect to get a good grade on it. It takes a lot of work. It takes a lot of time, a lot of effort. You're going to have to take it multiple times. I'll curve it. For example, if the highest grade's an 80, I'll go give you an extra 20 points to bring you up to 100. But that doesn't do you a lot of good if you got a 10% as your highest grade. That means you got one question right. All of you guys can do better than that. Um, Reach out if you have questions, post them in Teams. I know Teams isn't really working today with the assignment thing. I know they sent a call out not too long ago. Anyways, Raymond, happy late birthday. I'll check focus if anybody else has a birthday coming up. So if you guys haven't sent him a Snapchat, make sure to do that. Let's go ahead. This is warm up number 6. Once again, I stole this problem just off of the test yourself assessment. So looking at it really quick, all we have to end up doing is solving this equation. This one's an easy one. I know a couple students already told me they got it right today, which is awesome. Yeah, a lot of credit out there to the students that ended up getting good grades. Wyatt, first period, great job. Serenity, great job. Mitchell, great job. All first period students. There were some students in third period that did really well with it too. I know Tim, you got a great grade. I think you might have got the highest. Richard, seventh period, I know you got a good grade on it. Um, I know there's other students. I just can't remember all your grades off the top of my head. But if you ended up in that 70, 80, 90, 100, oh, Ashlyn, seventh period, she got a really high grade too. Let's go ahead. Let's do this. Just wanted to remind you guys that I actually know who you are, because it's been so while since I've seen you. Props to third period. You guys do a great job posting comments, asking questions. Third period, awesome job. First period, you had a lot of questions this morning too, so good job first period. Um, Solve the following equation. I'm going to rewrite it off to the side. It's just 4 plus x plus 2 minus 2x equals 5. Um, First thing I would do is distribute, but I can't distribute because I don't have parentheses, so I'm going to combine like terms. So I'm going to concentrate on just 4 plus 2. Well, that gives me 6. Next thing I'm going to deal with is x minus 2. Well, there's a 1 in front of this. So if I have a positive 1 minus 2, that gives me a negative 1x equals 5. Then once I get to that point, I would have to minus my 6 from both sides. I'm going to draw my little line here. Yep, this is that cheap pen from Amazon. 6 minus 6, those go away. Negative 1x is going to end up coming down. And it's going to end up leaving me with a negative 1. Well, I can't have a negative x, so I'm going to divide both of them by a negative 1, divide by a negative 1. And negative 1 divided by negative 1 gives me a positive 1. And as you can see off to the side, guys, that is the answer. Yep, high quality pen from Amazon. Negative 1-star review. Guys, if you have any questions, let me know. Make sure you're doing your work. I had a student get a really good grade on the test yourself, but they didn't watch the videos. Guys, I can run reports. I need you to watch it 100%. Okay? Yep, see, there you go. Experiencing issues with Teams today. So we'll see what happens. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. This is the answer to warm up number 6. All right, later, guys.